So let's get down to the nitty-gritty. I've been talking about this much vaunted Mars, the god of war, squaring Pluto, the god of the underworld, which happens exactly on August the 13th. But it's a build-up to the exact point of the degrees when they square up to each other. And then, of course, there's a coming down the other side. Like a mountain, up you go one side and down you go the other. And the descent can be as difficult or dangerous as can be the ascent. Now, you need to remember that this particular aspect is also going to occur again in October and December. So what does it mean? It's going to challenge you to the hilt, mainly your strength, your physicality, and also that part of you psychologically, how you're coping with everyday matters, and are you getting psyched up to do certain things in your life which require a launch or a starting of a project, the beginning of something. Because all of these things with Mars squaring Pluto means there will be tough times before you know you've got something worth hanging on to and going ahead with. Therefore, over the next few days, take a good, long look, hard look at yourself and the people around you. Who are those people preventing you from doing things, stopping you, creating obstacles, being intransigent? Because they're the people most likely to make you angry. The other thing with this is it's a control matter. Who's controlling who? So therefore there are matters of people abusing certain rights and privileges, or just using abuse in some way to prevent you from doing what you want to do. Over the next few months, remember, it occurs again in October and December, it's time to free yourself from controlling, obsessive people. It's time to free yourself from people who want to take control of you. And with Mars squaring Pluto, it's also up to you to psych yourself up and get a new approach to things. Don't overstretch yourself, exercise restraint, and do things. Think of the tortoise and the hare. In the long run, the tortoise won, not the hare. So it's not about speed or celerity. It's not about doing things very quickly. It's about taking back control of yourself and your life and not allowing other people to manipulate you. Some people will try to manipulate through psychology. They'll try to play mind games with you. And equally, some people may push you to the edge so that you lose control and get so angry that you do things, that you wish you'd never done. So that's the essence of this aspect. It's about you finding a good middle way through this period when a lot of challenges and tests will happen, and it will probably be January before it's resolved. But at least if you take my advice, you'll resolve it in your favour. Good luck. I'm always around to guide and advise. Russ is saying ta-ta.